Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing along in the book. Looks like today we're working on number 142. Let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 9. Got a 9 there and a 9 there. So 2, 5, 2, 5. That means our 9 has to be here. If we look at this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. A 9 here, so 7, 9. Finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 8. I don't see any help here. So 2, 4, 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 4. No help here. So 2, 8, and we'll get rid of this 4 here. For this column, looks like we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so 2. That 2 makes this our 5 and our 7. That 5 makes this our 2. So for this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here. So 6, 5. For this box now, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 4, a 1 here. So 3, 4, and no help here. So 1, 3, 4. Work on this bottom row. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 6. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 2, 6. 5 and 6 here, so 1, 2. 2 and 6 here, so 1, 5. And we've got the 2 and 6 there still, and a 1 there. So that means this is our 5. That makes this our 1, which means this is our 2 and our 6. For this box now, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. Work on this row. We've got that 2 there now. So that makes this our 8 and our 2, and that 8 comes down here, makes this our 4 and 8. So for this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 4, 5. We can get rid of this 4 here. For this box now, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. A 6 here, so 2, 6. So for this row then, we're missing 3 and 4. And there's no help. So 3, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4. And the 8 can't be in either of those two boxes, so it has to be here. For this column now, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 4 there, so 2, a 1 there, so 4 and 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 3. 4 makes this our 1. The 3 makes this our 4. And then this makes our 3. This box, then we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 there. So 8, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 there. So 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 there. So 1, 3. And that 1 makes this our 7 and 1. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.